The club is full of balls. What's cracking? Welcome back to a new video. Today it's hair. I'm getting better. I bleached it. This is my first time bleaching a full-on frontal, and I think I did pretty well. I dyed the hair also in this video. It's getting easier, so if you're like a beginner like how I am or used to be, or in between beginner and intermediate, this is definitely a video for you. But just another update to show y'all how to give another look. I think I'm about to brush this hair out. I definitely am gonna cut bangs into this hair come Thanksgiving, but in the meantime, I'm gonna see if Monica wanna come sort these out. But thank you to Slove Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I hope y'all enjoy my little tutorial. what my hairline is looking like since I pulled it back forward. Oh, my ears. Oh my ears. Okay, so we're gonna need to touch that up. If y'all only knew how messy it is in here. I forgot to do baby hairs. I mean, it's not a little too late to do a little sideburn, I think. Okay, the moment we all been waiting for. Okay, so I think I'll live without sideburns for now. I really want to see what it looks like brushed out. I'm really in the mood to be destructive, and I think I'm about to be. So I don't know if this is the final look, but this is definitely one of the looks. Dark and lovely, don't never fail me. Baby, give me a life supply. Okay, the lace was perfect. I could probably tweak some more, but you know, I had a few mishaps, but it's still real sexy. The hair is like full enough but light enough. Definitely a top 5 company. I would love to work with them again and again, because the luster, baby. And it held a curl. Like normally I would have to like pin them, but y'all saw all I did was put it in that little bonnet and called it a day. I thought this was straight hair, but this is what a body wave is supposed to do. And if it's straight hair, listen, made a believer out of me, pal. And how my ball cap method for the first time. I'm still perfecting it, but I see I see a flaw. NARS brush. I don't know who I think I am. Throw that there to make it match. You know, it's rewarding working for it. I would spend my own money on it if I was looking for a wig. I ain't gonna front. All right, let's brush it out. I can't believe I left those hideous orange sneakers that are clearly not mine in the back of my video this whole time. I'm gonna start by girls. Ooh, it's still soft. Girls. Girls. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of bottles and pockets. Nah. I ate that. Body that with no baby hairs. Could you believe that? Let me show you where the hair stops now. Middle of my back. You'll never find